Alan, how important is that goal in the last minute for San Jose?
It's a big goal, you know. We know they're going to be really good at home. So it's big to go in even with them. So, you know, we can be more conservative with our approach and hopefully sneak a goal in and bring it back here.
San Jose had many chances throughout the game, and the feeling in the stadium was a bit of frustration. What was happening?
Nothing. I mean, goalie had a good game. He was making some big saves. The important thing is we're getting those chances. Next game they'll go in.
Next game next week in Toluca. What has to change for San Jose to be in the semifinals?
Nothing. I think we had a good game tonight. So we put the pressure on them. We had the better chances tonight. If we're able to do that and create some chances like we did tonight, I think we'll be okay.
Perfect. Thank you very much and good luck.
Thank you.
Nuevamente vuelves a anotar en la Liga de Campeones. Descríbenos un poco el gol.
Sí, fue una jugada ahí que rebanó el defensa, entonces salí al aire y bueno, me quedaba modo para pegarle.
¿Con qué sabor se va Toluca después de este empate en San José?
No, amargo y enojado. Yo creo que el partido estaba bien controlado. No podemos descuidar la zona defensiva en el último minuto, ¿no? Teníamos que haber guardado la pelota, pero se nos fue el partido de las manos.
La próxima semana reciben a los San Jose Earthquakes en Toluca. ¿Qué tiene que cambiar para que Toluca avance a las semifinales?
Yo creo que hicimos un buen partido. De principio a fin propusimos, jugamos bien al balón, tuvimos mucha posición de pelota y bueno, ellos en una jugada que se encontraron, cayó el gol.
Perfecto, muchísimas gracias.